Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook videos not playing and auto scoring problem solve. Automatic scrolling problem often occur when opening video on Facebook. Click settings, click app management, click app list, click Facebook, click force stop, click storage use, click clear data, then click OK, then click data use details, then turn on background data, click permission, then allow all permission. Then open Google Play Store. Search Facebook. If you get any update, please update. Then restart your phone.